Namaskaram and welcome to all our lovely customers. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house for exclusive handwoven sarees. Started in the year 2012, now we have 17 stores all across South India. Be it the quality, the collection or the prices, we always provide the best to our dear customers. So please make sure you're visiting your nearest VML store to have a look at the beautiful collection of sarees just like the one that I will show you in today's episode. Before that, ladies, let me tell you that our jewelry partner for today is the House of QC, and they have two stores. One is at Inorbit, another one is at GVK1 Mall. Today's episode is going to be about beautiful, lightweight, very pretty Kora sarees, but before that, let me show you the saree that I'm wearing right now. It's a gorgeous Kanchipattu saree in Chiku color with magenta color. Let's have a look at its body. On the body of this beautiful Chiku color saree, we have peacocks and floral buttees and zari checks in gold zari. Beautiful gold zari work on Chiku color, looks very subtle and elegant. The border for this saree has paisleys and boxes. There are zigzag lines. We have zari strips, zari lines, and a beautiful work, intricate work in gold zari. Our pallu has florals and diamonds and cross checks in gold zari. And the beautiful contrasting blouse has brocade work all over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. So dear customers, without delaying much, let's get started with the first Kora saree now. Here I have a beautiful blue with yellow color Kora saree, and on the body we have very small floral buttees in gold zari which look very beautiful like stars in the sky. Here's the lovely contrasting border which has florals and lines along with very small polkas and lines, and here we have florals with leaves, we have cross lines and beautiful florals and lines. Again, this lovely work is in gold zari which looks very subtle on the yellow color border. The contrasting pallu for this saree has florals and leaves and lines in gold zari, and then we have zigzag lines in gold zari. Very lovely, very beautiful work. And there's a gorgeous contrasting blouse in yellow color. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we provide global courier service. Here's a gorgeous saree. This one is in peach color, and let's get started with the body. On the body of this saree, we have drop buttees in yellow color thread work, and there are zigzag lines all over the body in silver zari. Very gorgeous, very lovely work. The border has zari lines, and we have temples also on the edge, and this work is in silver zari contrasting with your peach color body. Here's a pallu which has zari lines all over it. We have silver zari work on the peach pallu. And such a beautiful, such a pretty self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, these weavers' prices are valid for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. I have such a beautiful color combination here. So this one is a dhani green with turquoise blue color saree, and let's get started with the body. On the body, we have large floral buttees, and around that we have smaller floral buttees, and we have these strips on the body in gold zari. Very lovely, very gorgeous work. The border has dollars and boxes. There are small zari boxes and lines along with paisleys with florals detailing inside them, and then we have florals and cross checks, and this work is in gold zari. The gorgeous contrasting border has dollars and boxes, and then there is very beautiful, very intricate floral brocade work in gold zari. And such a pretty contrasting blouse for your green saree. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, the cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Let's have a look at this gorgeous and classic black color Kora saree, and on the body of this one we have zari checks in silver zari. Inside the zari checks we have beautiful polkas, and we have very beautiful organic floral buttees in silver zari too. Here's the border which has temples on the edge, and then there are diamonds and small zari boxes again in silver zari. A very beautiful self pallu which also has diamond brocade work on it in silver zari. And a gorgeous self blouse for your black saree. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, you can also shop for our sarees by going to our website kanchivml.com by clicking on the links mentioned in the description box below. Ladies, look at this very beautiful color combination of pink with mustard, and let me show you the body. On the beautiful pink color body of this saree, we have floral buttees in thread work and gold zari, and we have such lovely color palette here, very bright work on the body. The border, which is in mustard color, has florals and leaves jal, and there are cross lines, and again we have florals and leaves jals along with zari boxes and lines in gold zari. Here's the pallu, which has florals and leaves jal and cross lines in gold zari over it. And such a beautiful contrasting blouse for your very beautiful pink saree. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Such a pretty sea green color chorus saree is here for you. And on the body, we have floral buttees. So we have small floral buttees and we have large floral buttees. And all this gorgeous work is on silver zari, which is adding a beautiful bling to your sea green color body. The border of this saree has leaves on the edge, and we have florals in lines. There are zari boxes and cross lines in silver zari again. Here's the pallu, which has cross lines, and we have florals and curvy checks in beautiful bright silver zari. And this saree has such a beautiful blush pink color blouse, a contrasting blouse for your sea green saree. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we provide global courier service. Cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. The Weaver's prices are valid for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. You can also shop through our website, that is kanchivml.com, and also shop through online video calling. All you have to do is take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a video call at your time of convenience. Isn't that amazing? You can directly buy all the beautiful sarees there, and we will deliver them to you in no time. Our jewelry partner is the House of QC, and they have two stores. One is at InOrbit Mall, another one is at GVK 1 Mall. Dear beautiful ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, which was about Kora sarees. These sarees have a very young appeal. They look beautiful on all the gorgeous ladies, and please make sure you're placing your orders right away. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.